starts.
Press the button again and then it turns on.
Hello.
Look at the dog.
My name is Mira, and this is
Salvi.
Yes. Look at Lulu.
and I like
Look.
bugs.
Well,
It's so fun to be here at Waterloo Park. It's such an amazing place.
you know, your face won't even turn up because you're holding the camera like this.
Yeah, no, it will.
Look at this one.
Swans. Swans.
Oh, I know.
T T T T T T T T T T.
Look at their
So they
feet.
start hissing, right?
Yeah, well, they've already tested him.
Oh, yeah?
Have you guys gone to the bunnies yet?
No, I haven't.
Oh, well, I can't get him away from the bunnies.
Oh, I know.
Oh, they love the bunnies.
When Tia came, she was kissing the bunny's dad.
Oh, I see. Look. Look at those, Mira. You see how they rest on one leg?
Can I take a picture, please, Mira?
Do that for
That's how they, when they
No, we're
sleep.
on movie now.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, Mira.
Hi.
Mira, go back. Go back.
What's up?
Go back. Okay, now do something.
Come.
La, 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 la,
Keep going.
Okay, let's see it. Hey. Hi. Na, 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 na.
Yeah, go, Mira.
Ew, worm.
It's just a worm. Do something now.
Ew, worm.
Yeah, okay.
I don't like worms.
So,
Don't like things like worms. Ew.
she's pretty weird, eh?
I need some fun. So let's do the measuring game.
Stupid.
I need some more drink. That's how I always start my movies.
Okay, do something different than last time.
Alright. I don't know.
Hey, Lulu. She's trying to pee on a tree.
I bought some bark. So, you know what that
Hey, Lulu.
Let's
Hello.
search through the jukebox, and what do you find?
Hey, Lulu.
Measuring game. Goodbye. See you next time on Mira.